Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from circles. The question is, find the condition if the circles whose equations are x square plus y square plus c square equals to 22ax and x square plus y square plus c square minus 2by equals to 0 touch one another externally. So, if two circles touch externally, if two circles touch externally, there is a condition to satisfy it is mod of C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2, where C1 comma C2 are centers, R1 comma R2 are radii. Okay, now we have to find the centers and radius from the given circle equations. Coming to first equation, x square plus y square plus c square minus 2ax equals to 0, right? So this we can rearrange x square plus y square minus 2ax plus c square equals to 0. So coming to this part, this is g, right? What is the general format of the circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, right? Based on this, we have to take x coefficient is 2g. So here 2g. So 2g is equals to, here what we got, minus 2a. G equals to minus a. So what will be f here? 2f equals to 0. No y term here. That's why 2f we got 0. So f equals to 0. Therefore center 1, what is the actual format? Center is minus g comma minus f, which is equals to c1 minus a is given, minus a we got, so minus into minus a, and minus f is 0. This is first circle. Coming to next circle, second circle, x square plus y square plus c square minus 2by equals to 0. So rearrange again, x square plus y square minus 2by plus c square equals to 0. Here 2b comes under 2f. Here x coefficient, x term not there. Here y term only we have. So 2g equals to 0. So g equals to 0. Here 2f we have, that is minus 2b. So f equals to minus b. Therefore center what you will get, minus g comma minus f means center 0 comma plus b. Right, we got center. Now coming to radius. Radius r1 equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Right, which is equals to root of, what is g here? A plus f is 0. C is here, what we have? C square. So minus c square, which is equals to root of a square minus c square. Coming to radius 2. R2 equal to again root of g square plus f square minus c equals to root of, here g not there, so this is 0 plus f is b, so b square minus c square, which is equals to root of b square minus c square. Okay, now we got the centers and radii of the two circles. Now substitute these values in this condition. So mod C1 C2, which denotes distance between two centers. Let us find it. Mod C1 C2, using the points C1 C2, what you will get? Root of 0 minus a whole square plus b minus 0 whole square equals to root of a square plus b square. Right, this is distance between two centers. Now let us see the condition. Mod C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2, which implies root of a square plus b square equals to R1 is root of a square minus c square plus R2 is root of b square minus c square. So from this we can find the condition for the circles whose equations are given. Okay. So now for this equation what I am doing is squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Why we are squaring both sides? Here we are having square root, no? So to cancel that, if we square the equation, we will get the plain equation. So what you will get? Root of a square plus b square whole square equals to root of a square minus c square plus root of b square minus c square whole square, right? So square root cancel, a square plus b square equal to this a plus b whole square formula. What you will get? Root of a square minus c square whole square plus root of b square minus c square whole square plus 2 root a square minus c square into root of b square minus c square, right? So a square plus b square is equals to square root cancel, a square minus c square plus square root cancel, b square minus c square plus 2 root a square minus c square into b square minus c square, right? So a square x square cancel, b square cancel. What left? 0 equals to minus 2c square plus 2 root of a square minus c square into b square minus c square. So we can rearrange it. 2 root a square minus c square into b square minus c square equals to 2c square. 2 cancel. What left? Root of a square minus c square into b square minus c square is equals to c square. Again here we are having root. So to cancel it, what again doing? Squaring both sides again. Okay. So root of a square minus c square into b square minus c square whole square equals to c square whole square, which implies a square minus c square into b square minus c square equals to c power 4, which implies a square b square minus a square c square minus b square c square plus c power 4 equals to c power 4. These two get cancelled. So a square b square minus a square c square minus b square c square equals to 0. Right? Now in these two I'll take c common minus c square. What you will get? A square plus b square you will get equals to 0. Okay, which implies a square b square equals to c square into a square plus b square. Now what I am doing is, here if you take here, this will be 1 and this will be 1, just cross multiply. 1 by c square equals to, otherwise like this you do, otherwise if you get confused we can do in this way. C square a square plus b square equals to a square b square, right? So what I am doing is c square is coming here, means I make it to denominator of other side. Now I am bringing a square b square here. A square plus b square by a square b square equals to 1 by c square. This can be written as how? A square by a square b square plus b square by a square b square equals to 1 by c square. A square b square b square. So rearrange 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equals to 1 by c square. This is the condition for the two circles when they touch externally for the given equations, for the given circle equations. Okay, understood how to do? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.